In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine expenses in Expensify. If you've ever ended up with a duplicate expense, maybe one came from a card import and another from a scanned receipt, merging them keeps your reports clean and accurate without losing useful details like receipts or descriptions. Start on the home screen in Expensify. From the left-hand menu, open Reports to get into your workspace, then head over to the Expenses view. This is where you'll do the merge. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly look up a merchant, amount, or keyword, or open the filter panel to narrow by date, report, card, or other criteria. The goal is to bring the potential duplicates into view so you can act on them confidently. Click into the expense you want to keep as your starting point. In the expense details, open the More menu and choose Merge. Expensify will guide you through a short merge workflow. First, select the matching expense you want to combine with this one. Take a moment to confirm details like date, amount, and merchant so you're merging true duplicates. When you've identified the right match, click Continue. Next, choose which receipt image you want to keep as the primary receipt for the merged expense. If one is clearer or shows tax details better, select that one, then click Continue. You'll now pick which details to keep from each expense record. For amount, choose the value that's correct. Often the card import amount is definitive if it reflects the posted transaction. For merchant, select the most accurate, properly formatted name. For date, keep the date that aligns with your policy. Posting date for card transactions or purchase date for cash, depending on your workflow. For description, keep the version that's most informative for reviewers, like a clear business purpose. And for report, choose the report where the final merged expense should live so it routes correctly for approval and reimbursement. Expensify shows both versions side by side so you can make the best choice for each field. When you've confirmed all selections, click Continue, then choose Merge Expenses to finalize. Expensify combines the two into a single tidy expense using the receipt and details you selected. The duplicate is resolved and your reports stay consistent. If you don't see the expense you expect during selection, adjust your filters or widen the date range and expenses and try again. Make choices carefully here. Merging is meant to be final. That's it, your duplicates are cleanly combined, your receipt is intact, and your expense is ready for reporting.